Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can use Mailerlite to create your own landing page as a complete beginner. So let's get started. First, you need to create your account from sign up. Here I will just log into my account. I will use Google. Almost there, and here we go. So here is how your Mailerlite looks like. Here you have your dashboard. You have steps that you can use to finalize and make your profile complete. So basically, you need to create a campaign, then create a form, then create site, then create automation. And this is basically how we are going to do for this tutorial. You can also see here the overview of your performance and activity on Mailerlite. So let's get started with our first step, which is create campaign. So now let's navigate to campaigns, press create. Now you will have a choice to choose whether you want to make a regular campaign, AP split campaign, RSS campaign, or auto resend campaign. Here I will just create the regular campaign. I will name it tutorial. The subject, tutorial again. Okay, I will keep this sender as it is. I will leave these empty. Recipients, I will choose all active recipients and select. And here we can just press on next. Now you can choose how you want to create your own content, whether you want to create it from scratch or template or recent emails. In Scratch, you have three options. However, I'm just gonna use the template gallery because it's the easiest way. So you can just pick one of these templates. I will just pick maybe this one. Okay. You can press on preview first to see how your form looks like. And if you are satisfied, you can press on select template here. Now, as your form has been started, the editing is the easiest possible, where you can just only press on the thing or the element you want to edit, and you can edit on it. You can change the text, for example. You can change its properties. You can add background. You can, let's navigate downward. You can control the content style. You can control the button style and more. So this is basically how you can control your own text. You can also manipulate it from here, where you can make it bold. You can control the alignment. You can add a link. You can add text color and so on and so forth. Here you can click on this image, and once you press on replace image, you will be able to replace it. You can upload image from here, or you can use Google Drive URL. So let's upload it from our device. I will just use this one, and here it's uploading. Almost done. And now it's done. I will just press on insert, and voila. So this is how you can replace your image. You can also control your header. You can change the text itself. You can manipulate the properties. So this is basically how it's done. It's so easy and it's so basic. On the left, you can even access on many other options like adding blocks. For example, you can access to saved blocks. Since I did not save any blocks, there is nothing here. You can you can search for different blocks like logos. Here you can add a logo, for example. You can even press on it and change it by the same way that we changed the image. We can upload an image from our device. So let's pick another one like this, and here it's uploading. And now let's press on insert, and voila. So this is how you can control your image, or how you can add a block. We can also add a hero from here. We can add sections like this one. We can add elements like text elements. We can add content, we can add special, we can add e-commerce, gallery. You can also add blog, you can add social and sharing and footer. So in case you are interested in like products or selling your own products, you can go to e-commerce, or you can go to gallery and select one of these preset group of images, like these 5 images, for example, and you can drag and drop it here. Or of course it will be downward, not upward here. Let's just delete this and press on this trash can. And now let's go downward. So of course you may want to add your gallery, for example, in here. So you can just drag it and drop it here, for example, and here it is. And now you can upload each image based on your product or your services. So this is how basic and easy you can edit on your form. So once you are done, you can preview and test it from here. You can preview mode like that. You can control the view, whether it's from desktop or mobile. So once you are done, you can just press on this cross icon, and you can also test it by sending a test email. However, I'm just gonna press on done editing here. Now it will show you the final version of all the information, so that if you want to change anything, you can change it. So you can choose to send now, or to send later, or to based on time zones. So if you want to send now, you can just go to send now, and I need to confirm my email first. So I will confirm it in seconds, and I will come back to you now. And now after sending your own campaign, you have to do other 2 steps, which are create a form and create site. To be honest, these 2 steps are identical to the create campaign, because you will just go to forms, for example, and you will press on create. Then you will choose the name of your form, for example, and you'll choose whether it's pop-up or embedded or promotion. And once you decide the type, you will just save and continue. Then it will ask you about your subscriber group. So you will create a group of people. Let's say, for example, let's add just an email for now, and continue. Now it will ask you to choose a template, and after you choose a template, you will edit it the same way that we did before with the campaign. And the site has the same concept, where you will just create, whether it's landing page or a site, you will choose the name of the site, or the name of the landing page, and you will save and continue. Then again, you will choose the subscriber group, continue, and finally you will choose one of the templates. So it's basically the same steps. So we will not repeat them for the sake of the time of this tutorial. Now, if we went back to the dashboard, we will find that the last step left for us is the automation. Here it is. So basically, we can control our automation by going to automation here. And automation describes like series of steps that you need to perform, that you need to identify, so that it will be performed automatically without your intervention. So they will automatically be applied or happen whenever some action is triggered. So you can create it from scratch from here, or you can just choose a template from here. So you can have each template with its name, which describes its purpose. So if you want to welcome new users, you will use this one. If you want to, for example, welcome back some subscribers who unsubscribed and then resubscribed, you will use this form. If you have, for example, the birthday of one of your subscribers, then you will send him birthday wishes, and so on and so forth. So once you decide one of these templates, you will find it pretty self-explanatory. When subscriber joins group, you will send him welcome email, for example. So you can click on this welcome email, or you can just go here on this arrow, and you will see all the sequence of steps. So basically we have the email of the discount offer, and you have, then the next step is waiting for 3 days. Then the discount offer had any link clicked, and if the user clicked on the link, he will be transmitted to this custom field. If not, he will be transmitted to last chance offer. And once he goes to this way, he will go to wait to 3 days. Then he will have last chance offer. Then if he clicked on it, he will move to another step. Or if he did not, he will be marked as unsubscribed. So basically, you can control any of these steps and you can edit on it. Let's just press on this. So here you can preview each template, how it looks like and how it works. Let's suppose we want this simple welcome mail, and it's pretty simple. It's just subscriber joins and it sent a welcome email for him. So we will select this template by pressing on select template, and it will allow you to access the editing of this template. So basically, if you want to control the email, you can just click on it and you will access all the edits here. You can name it different name. You can choose the subject, from where it will be sent, and you can design the email from here. By clicking, it will transfer you to another step where you can just design the email from scratch, template gallery, recent emails, and so the same previous steps will be repeated again. And this is how easy you can manipulate your forms, your campaigns, your landing page, and your automation the same way from Mailerlite. So it's basically a platform all in one. And that's how easy you can use Mailerlite. This brings us to the end of our tutorial today. If you liked this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel for more valuable tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.